Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your email account linked with Fiverr to any other email account. So in case you have forgotten the old email address or maybe you just want to change it for fun purposes, you can do this. So first thing you have to do is open your browser and go on to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. Once you are in here, you have to open the seller dashboard. If this is not what's showing in your home screen, you can click on your profile icon right there and click on switch to selling. And once that's done, you have to click on this profile icon again and go on to settings. In here you will have this second option, email, so you can change it easily right from here. So I will type my other email address. So I'm not going to change it. I'll leave it to you guys. I'll just show you how you can easily do this. I'll choose another email account. Actually that email account has already a Fiverr account link, so it might go an error. I'll click on save changes, and that's it. When you save changes, this is causing an error because I have already made a Fiverr account on that email address. So in your case, if you are using a new email address or any of the other email addresses which is not already linked with Fiverr, it's not going to cause any errors and it will change successfully. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.